As the leaves turn golden and the air takes on a crisp chill, we know winter is on its way. For many, this means bracing against the cold and adapting to the challenges it brings. For electric vehicle owners, these challenges extend to their vehicles, as cold weather can impact battery performance and range. But fear not, intrepid EV drivers, for with a little knowledge and preparation, you can navigate the winter months with ease and keep your EV running smoothly. This comprehensive guide will delve into the intricacies of EV performance in cold weather, providing you with practical tips and insights to optimize your driving experience. From understanding the science behind battery efficiency to mastering the art of preconditioning and efficient driving techniques, we'll equip you with the knowledge to conquer the winter roads with confidence. So, bundle up, grab a warm beverage, and join us as we demystify the world of EVs in winter. Whether you're a seasoned EV enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this guide will empower you to embrace electric mobility, no matter the season. At the heart of every EV lies its battery, a marvel of modern engineering that stores the energy needed to propel these vehicles. However, like any battery, EV batteries are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, with cold weather posing a unique set of challenges. Understanding how cold temperatures affect battery performance is crucial for EV owners, especially during the winter months. Cold temperatures slow down the chemical reactions within the battery, reducing its ability to deliver power efficiently. This in turn can lead to a noticeable decrease in range, often referred to as range reduction. The extent of range reduction varies depending on factors such as vehicle model, battery size, and driving conditions. Furthermore, cold weather can increase the battery's internal resistance, making it harder for the battery to accept charge. This can result in longer charging times, especially when using public charging stations. Understanding these effects is the first step towards mitigating their impact on your EV driving experience. Imagine stepping into a pre-warmed car on a frigid winter morning, the seats already radiating warmth. That's the magic of preconditioning, a feature available in many EVs that allows you to heat the cabin and battery before you even unplug. This simple yet effective technique can significantly improve your EV's winter performance. Preconditioning works by using electricity from the grid to warm up the battery and cabin while the car is still plugged in. This ensures that the battery is at its optimal operating temperature when you start driving, maximizing range and performance. Many EVs allow you to schedule preconditioning so you can wake up to a toasty cabin and a fully charged battery. To activate preconditioning, refer to your EV's owner's manual for specific instructions. Typically, you can access preconditioning settings through the car's infotainment system or a mobile app. Setting up preconditioning is a simple process that can pay dividends in terms of comfort and range during the winter months. Charging your EV in cold weather presents a unique set of challenges. As we've learned, cold temperatures can slow down charging rates, making it even more important to optimize your charging strategy during the winter months. Understanding how cold weather affects charging and knowing how to navigate public charging stations are crucial for a seamless EV experience. One of the main challenges of cold weather charging is the slower charging rate. When the battery is cold, it can't accept charge as quickly, resulting in longer charging times. This is especially noticeable when using level 2 chargers or public charging stations. To mitigate this, try to park your EV in a garage or covered area whenever possible. This will help keep the battery warmer, resulting in faster charging times. Additionally, consider using a battery warmer, a device that helps maintain the battery's optimal temperature, especially during prolonged periods of inactivity. Section 5. Driving Tips. Navigating winter roads with your EV. Winter driving requires a different set of skills and awareness, regardless of the vehicle you drive. However, EVs have some unique characteristics that require special consideration when navigating snow-covered roads in icy conditions. By adopting a few simple driving techniques and understanding the importance of tire maintenance, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable winter driving experience. One of the most important tips for winter EV driving is to accelerate and decelerate gradually. Sudden acceleration or braking can lead to loss of traction, especially on slippery surfaces. EVs, with their instant torque, require a more delicate touch on the accelerator pedal. Another crucial aspect of winter driving is tire maintenance. Make sure your EV is equipped with winter tires that provide optimal grip and handling in snow and ice. Winter tires have a different tread pattern and rubber compound that remain flexible in cold temperatures, providing better traction and braking performance. Section 6. Cabin comfort. Staying warm without draining your battery. Staying warm and cozy inside your EV during the winter months doesn't have to come at the expense of battery range. By employing a few clever strategies and understanding the nuances of your EV's heating system, you can enjoy a comfortable cabin temperature without sacrificing precious miles. One of the most effective ways to conserve battery life while keeping the cabin warm is to utilize the heated seat and steering wheel functions. These features consume less energy than the cabin heater and can provide targeted warmth to the driver and passengers. Another useful tip is to preheat the cabin while the car is still plugged in. This allows you to step into a warm car without using battery power to heat it up. Many EVs offer preconditioning features that allow you to schedule cabin heating in advance. Section 7. Parking strategies. Maximizing your EV's range in winter. Where you park your EV during the winter months can significantly impact its battery life and range. By strategically choosing your parking spot, you can minimize the effects of cold temperatures on your battery and maximize your EV's efficiency. Whenever possible, try to park your EV in a garage or covered area. This will protect the battery from the elements and help maintain a more stable temperature. If a garage is not available, consider parking in a spot that receives direct sunlight during the day. Another useful tip is to avoid parking your EV on snow or ice for extended periods. This can cause the battery to lose heat more rapidly, reducing its overall efficiency. If you must park on snow or ice, try to park on a layer of cardboard or a rubber mat to provide some insulation. Section 8. Maintenance matters, keeping your EV in top shape. Just like any vehicle, EVs require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. However, the unique components of an EV, particularly the battery, require special attention, especially during the winter months. By following a few simple maintenance tips, you can keep your EV running smoothly and extend its lifespan. One of the most important maintenance tasks for EV owners is to keep the battery within its optimal charge level. Avoid fully charging or fully depleting the battery, as this can stress the battery and reduce its lifespan. Most EV manufacturers recommend maintaining a charge level between 20% and 80% for optimal battery health. Another crucial aspect of EV maintenance is to keep the vehicle clean, especially during the winter months. Road salt and other winter debris can accumulate on the undercarriage and battery pack, potentially causing corrosion or damage over time. Section 9. The future is electric, even in winter. Despite the challenges posed by cold weather, the future of electric mobility remains bright. As battery technology continues to advance, we can expect to see significant improvements in range, charging times, and cold weather performance. Furthermore, ongoing research and development efforts are focused on developing new battery chemistries that are less susceptible to temperature fluctuations, paving the way for EVs that can withstand even the harshest winter conditions. The transition to electric mobility is inevitable, driven by the need for sustainable transportation solutions and a growing awareness of the environmental impact of fossil fuels. Section 10. Join the conversation. Share your EV winter wisdom. As we've explored in this comprehensive guide, driving an EV in winter presents unique challenges and rewards. From understanding the intricacies of battery performance to mastering the art of preconditioning and efficient driving techniques, EV owners have a wealth of knowledge to share. We encourage you to join the conversation and share your own experiences, tips, and insights on navigating the winter roads with your EV. Have you encountered any unexpected challenges? What strategies have you found most effective for maximizing range and performance in cold weather? Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing electric mobility, season after season. Driving an EV in winter requires a different mindset and approach, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By understanding the factors that affect battery performance, mastering efficient driving techniques, and embracing the latest technological advancements, you can enjoy a seamless and enjoyable EV experience, no matter the season. As we've explored in this comprehensive guide, a little knowledge and preparation go a long way in mitigating the challenges of cold weather driving. From preconditioning your EV to strategically choosing your parking spot, every step you take contributes to a more efficient and enjoyable winter driving experience.